What is it?
The sea monster.
Be careful with it. Now we gotta just keep it in there, okay?
What is it?
Can you believe it?
What's this?
Ah, don't open!
I want to
Don't, you can't. No, you can't. This is Crosley. These are antiques.
Mommy, I want to see it.
You look at it from right there. It's just gonna stay in the No, it's gonna stay in the package. Crosley, because it's antique, okay?
I won't break it.
But you cannot open it, okay? Don't! You can't. No, let go. Okay, just look at the box. All right.
I want to look at the box.
Yes. What?
I want to do it.
Stop. It's an antique toy. It's an antique.
What
Okay.
one of them look like? I want to do it like all my other guys.
Oh, let's just look at the box. I'm not planning on opening this.
I want to wait for my birthday.
No, well, we're not going to open it ever. We're going to keep it in the box because it's sealed, okay?
Forever?
Yeah.
It's on the box.
No, you're not the...
Got you.
All right, let me do it. I don't believe we're opening this. What? Wow. Look, what do you think?
This is cool. I liked it.
Whoa. This is probably the coolest toy ever.
He did have eyes on him, so I had to draw them.
No!
I really did that.
You did not draw on these. Crosley!
I didn't draw all your faces. This is stuff.
What did you... Let me see. When I was at school?
Yeah. But he did have eyes.
These are antiques. We are here. You're rescued. Charge.
Charge you! And one of the guys went,
Yes.
side it. Then, you guys are poopy butt cheeks. I want the monster! Yeah!
Good. Not so hard, because it's an antique.
Oh, this guy's head didn't pop off.
Oh, don't. Damn! Cooper! No! Did he? Oh. Oh. Okay. Well, say good.
Oh my gosh. Look at her butt.
Crosley! Stop.
Oh, here. Look, Eric. And Eric.
What do you think, Amy? Isn't that the coolest? I've been wanting that since I was a little boy.
No.
It is.
You like it?
It's terrifying.
Okay. Where are we going to display it? I was thinking on one of these shelves up here.
You're out of your mind.